Did you know ChatGPT can actually generate a PDF for you? No extra tools, no downloads needed. Let me show you exactly how to do it right now. First, head over to chat.openai.com and make sure you're logged in. We're just using the regular ChatGPT interface, nothing fancy. Now just type your request. Tell ChatGPT exactly what you want in the PDF, the topic, structure, and how you want it formatted. Generate a one-page PDF on 5 tips for better sleep. Include a title, short intro, 5 tips with brief descriptions, and a closing note. Format it nicely with headings. Give it a few seconds. And there it is, a download link. Click the link and your PDF downloads automatically. Let me open it up. Boom, a clean formatted PDF ready to use, just like that. And that's it. You asked ChatGPT for content, told it to make a PDF, and downloaded it in under 2 minutes. Super simple. Give it a try with whatever topic you need.